I'm finna do my 5 years to get up out of here. This 5 years gonna be a breeze. Okay, got a toilet right there.
All right, big fella, why don't you toot that ass up on that bed?
Hey, my man, I just came to do my time. I ain't with none of that.
Looking like a peanut butter Reese cup, and I need a piece.
Bro, I don't know what you see, but I just came to do my time.
You gonna do your time while getting hit from behind. Now toot that ass up.
Bro, you tripping. I'm not with none of that. I just came to do my time. But I'm gonna go ahead and sweep this
Jeff,
up.
you stand for jamming your ass while you in lockup,
Oh,
big
now
fella.
you tripping. Guard!
And I'm on hard.
Guard!
On hard.
Guard!
On hard. Get naked before I come over there and take it.
Bro, what is wrong with you?
That's the sound of me all up in your ass.
Who you some type of freak or something? Guard!
I'm for the guard, but I'm still on hard.
Guard!
Arch your back up and toot that ass.
Guard!
With your whole ass.
What's up, guys? Jacob here, and now you know what happens when you use fake reviews in 2019. It's inevitable. So, anyway, I got my first book back from my writer yesterday, and so far I've been reading it. It's really freaking good. But more importantly for this video, I'm going to tell you a way to increase your book sales and even increase the production value with a really cool formatting app called Vellum. So, you might have heard of it before, but Vellum is a program exclusive to Mac users where you can just customize your ebook interior, and it even carries over to the paperback. So, I mean, I could keep hyping up how really cool it is, but it is so cool because it'll automatically set up your chapters. It'll, like, the moment you open up your ebook through Vellum, it sets up the table of contents. It links each chapter to the table of contents like that. You literally don't do anything. You open up the ebook and it's already there. And with that, like, if you're trying to set up, you know, extra production value to where you have these nice little chapter headings and some good formatting in there and having some ornamental breaks in your books, this is the tool to do it. And sometimes if you ever look at like really big name authors, they all use Vellum for formatting their books, and it's just really cool overall what you can do with it. So like, I'm not an affiliate for this or anything. I'm just telling you that I'm using it now, and it's the shit. So you just check out Vellum at vellum.pub. Now, the thing is, there's two issues. Well, not issues, just two things to consider. Number one, it does cost money to use, well, rather to buy and use. I decided to spend the $250 to format my books for both ebook and paperback using Vellum. Why? Number one, it's almost impossible to find someone available to format your books using Vellum. Everyone is booked. And number two, get this. People will charge as much as $100 per 50,000 words for formatting their book. And let me just tell you the truth. Like, past like setting up like the giveaway page, the links page, and like the preview page, the formatting of the book itself, like, I can do in 5 minutes now as a first day Vellum user. So I know I'm gonna make my money back. I'm gonna do like a couple freelance jobs to make up back this $250, and I'll be set. So that'll pay for itself. And number two, if I were to outsource using Vellum, again, I would be exceeding my costs within like the use of 4 books. So for me, it makes sense to just buy the damn program. Second issue is, yes, it is available only for Mac, but here's what I had to do. I did not buy an iMac. I did not want to spend $1,500 on an iMac. So what I found out was you can go to a site called Mac and Cloud. I think it's actually going to show my dashboard if I just go in here. Instead, you can get VPN access to a Mac terminal with Mac and Cloud at macandcloud.com. I decided to just do the pay-as-you-go plan, though eventually I might switch to $20 a month, where I spend just $1 an hour with VPN remote access to a Macintosh that's already preloaded with the Vellum program. You just have to buy the license, and that right there lets me do my formatting. Now, I would show you how I log in and how it works, but unfortunately, I don't think I can screencast a VPN login, so that wouldn't work. But that's what I'm doing, and again, it might seem like an excessive amount. Like, what the fuck? You're spending $250 to format your book? Well, the thing is, guys, if you're gonna be like me and come out right out of the gate with as a new author with a book you're pricing at $2.99, not even 99 cents. Everything with its production value has to be top quality. Like, it literally has to match the quality of the top authors in a given genre. That's going to cost money. But having a good cover, having a good interior, having a good blurb, having just everything needed to substantiate that your book is good, get it done, and you can command what kind of income you can make, along with building an audience to make it all happen. So, this is probably brand new to you all. Maybe you've heard of Vellum before. If you want to have your book formatted by me, don't ask me. But, I mean, I can, like, if I have 5 minutes of spare time, I can show you what I can do with your ebook. Like, I don't mind. And I won't even charge you. Like, I can do it for you just like as a free, cool preview after the new year. So hit me up again, guys, with questions. I'm flying out to Vegas tomorrow. So starting tomorrow, I'm going to be filming from Vegas, either from my hotel room, doing videos, or right on the strip. So till then, guys, take care and have a good one.